金汉在美国 Welcome to my channel Hey guys, welcome to California Academy of Sciences. Let's go! I always enjoy visiting natural history museums when I travel to new places. And during my visit to San Francisco, it was no different. From my perspective, California Academy of Sciences is a museum where you can not only learn new things, but also be entertained. There are many areas of interest such as animals, sciences, or marine species that you can explore as you walk through this museum. One thing that I had learned, which I thought was interesting, was how to perform a bird mating dance. This is definitely a good spot for friends and family to spend time together. 1, 2, 3. Say hi. Butterfly. Check butterfly. The elevator, you'll fit there. Go along, person there. 它也太小只了吧？
对啊，我忘记它叫什么，很可爱啊。
是啊 ，Garden View。
Q Q 的。
Hey guys, I'm at Sausalito, a city above San Francisco. So let's check it out. Sausalito is a lovely and enjoyable city to visit, and you can overview San Francisco from this side. I enjoy the feeling the sea breeze on my face while walking along the shore. Speaking of Sausalito, you surely think of Lappert's ice cream store. There are tons of flavors you can choose. I like the strawberry flavor because it tastes really great to me. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you would like to say something to me, you can comment down below. You all know the drill. Henry in USA. See you next time. Bye.